Today I am giving some important theorems on limit. The formula required to solve the numerical from the limit chapter. See, I am writing one by one. Just focus here. Limit x tend to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a. You have to memorize the formula here. What is the formula required? I am writing here one by one. The answer will be n into a to the power n minus 1 into a to the power n minus 1. Suppose I am giving one example here. Limit x tend to, suppose 5 given, and this is given x to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 4 divided by x minus 5. So what is the answer here? That is n means what? 4. That right here 4 into a. A means here 5. 5 to the power n minus 1. N is how much? 4. Means 4 minus 1. How much it will be? 4 whole into 5 cube. 5 cube equal to how much? 125. 4 into 125. The final answer will be how much? 500. This is the answer. Okay, limit. Main formula, you have to memorize the formula here. X to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a, x tends to a. If I put directly x equal to a here, it will come 0 by 0. Therefore, we cannot put directly. You have to memorize the formula here. The n, the power will come here into a. A means here you have to see this number, you have to see this number. Just the number, same. A to the power n minus 1. I have given one example here. So many examples there. Number 2. Limit x tends to 0. E to the power x, e means exponential function, minus 1 by x. The answer is 1. Okay, e to the power x, that number should be here. Suppose one example right here. Suppose limit x tend to 0, e to the power 5x given, minus 1. That means I have to write here the 5x. Then answer will be 1. How much is there? That much should be here. Then answer will be 1. Number 3. Limit x tend to 0, a to the power x. A means any number, a to the power x minus 1 by x. In this case, answer will be log a base e. Okay. Number 4. Limit x tend to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x, whole to the power 1 by x. Then this answer is only e. E means exponential function. Same thing, I am writing here. Number 5. Limit x tend to 0, log 1 plus x whole divided by x. The answer will be 1. How it is coming? See, number formula 4 formula is 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x. The answer is e. Taking log both sides, then 1 by x will come outside. That is log 1 plus x by x, it will be log e. Log e is for how much? 1. Since log e means here actually, log e means here base actually e. Log e base is how much? 1. This is the reason. Means 5 formula given here without trigonometry. Here the formula required for the solution of the limit chapter. Okay. And 2 formula is there for trigonometry that I am writing also for solution. Just let us see here. 6 number formula you see. Limit theta tends to 0. Theta is angle, sin theta by theta. Sin of how much angle is there, that much angle will be here. Then answer will be 1. Number 7. Limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta. This answer also 1. Number 8. Limit theta tends to 0. Limit theta tends to 0. This is cos theta. The answer will be, if I put theta is equal to 0, cos 0 is how much? 1. Therefore, total 8 formula written here. More formula required, I will tell you next time. First to memorize at least 8 formula required for your first 2 exercise. After that, we will do more sums and more theorem also. Just first theorem is theorems x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus 3. Answer will be n into a to the power n minus 1. I will give you another example here. e to the power x minus 1 by x, limit x tend to 0, then answer is 1. If it is here a to the power x, the answer will be log a base e. And if limit x tend to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by power is 1 by, the answer is e. Same as that of height. See, limit x tend to 0, log of 1 plus x whole by x, the answer will be 1. These are the answer, these are the formula required. And the trigonometrical three formula required, that is sin theta by theta, theta tend to 0 is 1. Tan theta by theta, theta tend to 0 also 1. Limit theta tend to 0, cos theta value is how much? 1. That is each formula written here. Let us see some from I am doing from the book exercise just to see. See the question number 1. Limit x tends to 2. X tends to 2. X cube minus 8 by x minus 2. See, there are two methods I can solve it. One method I am showing here. Limit x tends to 2. Here you can apply here a cube minus b cube formula, means a minus b. 8 means what? 2 cube. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square divided by x minus 2. This x minus 2 cancel out. After that, I can put the value of x equal to here. Limit x tends to 2. What is that? X square plus 2x plus 4. Now put the value of x equal to 2 here. That means 2 whole square. 2 into 2 plus 4. How much you are getting? 4 plus 4 plus 4. How much you are getting? 12. This is the answer of 12. In another way, you can do also like this. See, using formula here, I have told before, this is nothing but limit x tends to 2. This is x cube minus 2 cube by x minus 2. I have told the formula. What is that formula? N into n means what? 3. N into a means what? 2. N into a to the power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. How much it is coming? 2 whole square. 2 whole square is how much? 4. 4 3 is 12. You can do directly also. Here you can apply the formula, directly you can solve it. Otherwise, you can apply here a cube minus b cube factorization formula. A cube minus b cube factorization formula is a cube minus b cube factorization formula. I am writing here a cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. Using this formula, you can solve it. Okay. Next one. 3. See the question number 2. Limit x tends to 2. Function given x to the power 4 minus 64 divided by x cube minus 8. How to do this sum? Just to see here. Limit x tends to 2. Here is given x to the power 4 minus 64 means 2 to the power 4. Do one thing here, dividing x minus 2 both sides. Dividing x minus 2 both numerator as well as denominator. Here x cube 8 means what? 2 cube. Now divide x minus 2. Dividing x minus 2. Dividing x minus 2 both numerator as well as denominator. So normally 64 means 2 to the power 4. 8 means 2 cube written. Now as per the rule, you have to write here limit x tends to 2. X to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4 by x minus. This is one part. Again, denominator also same thing. Limit x tends to 2. This is x cube minus 2 cube divided by x minus 2. Now, for this case, what is the formula? N into n means what? 4. N into a to the power n minus 1. And here, n means what? 3. N into a means what? 2. 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. And then how much we are getting? This is 4. 4 into 2 to the power how much? 2 to the power 3. So the 3 means 8 will be, next page I am writing. This will be 2 to the power 2. That is 4 into 2 cube is what? 8. And this will be 3 into 2 square, 4. This 4 cancel. How much we are getting? 8 by 3 is the answer. 8 by 3. 2 cube means 8. And here 2 square means 4 cancel. 8 by 3 is the answer. Let us go next one. See the question number 3. Limit x tends to 0. 3 to the power x plus 2 minus 9 divided by x. See how to break. Limit x tends to 0. This is given 3 to the power x plus, means you have to write here 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 2 minus 9 divided by x. See, limit x tends to 0. This will be 3 square is how much? 9. That is 9 into 3 to the power x minus 9 divided by x. You can take 9 common from the numerator, take it outside. The constant will go outside. Limit extend to 0. This is coming 3 to the power x minus 1 by x. What is the answer of this? It should be 9 log 3. Log 3 base e. Log 3. This is the answer. Which formula applies here? Since limit extend to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x. The answer is log a. I have applied this formula here. Okay. Means here question given 3 to the power x plus 2. Means you have to break here 3 to the power x into 3 to the 2 because power is added. In case of multiplication, if base is same, power is added. Then I have taken 9 comma 3 square means 9. I have taken 9 common, taking it total outside is a constant number. Now 3 to the power x minus 1 left divided by x. This is which formula I applied? This is the formula. Okay. The answer is 9 log 3 base e. Log 3. This is the answer of number. Let's go next number 3. See the question number 4 I have taken from the book exercise. Limit x tend to 0 e to the power 3x minus e to the power 2x divided by x. How to do this one? Can you take common from numerator? You have to take common e to the power 2x. What is left here? E to the power x minus 1. Because power is added, you have to take common e to the power 2x from the numerator. Then it is left e. Now, after taking e to the 2x common, what is left here? E to the x minus 1 by x. Now you separate like this. Limit x tend to 0, e to the power 2x one part into limit x tend to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x. This is another part. Now you put directly x equal to 0 here. It will how much? E to the power 0 into, what is the formula for this one? This is 1. E to the 0 means what? 1 into 1 is how much? 1. Okay, this is the answer of number 4. Because the formula you know, limit x tend to 0, e to the x minus 1 by, what is the formula? This is 1. And if I put x equal to 0 here, 2 into 0, 0, e to the power 0 means anything power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is the answer of number 4. Let us see number 5. See the question number 5. I have taken from the book exercise. X to the power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1. How to do this one? Just to see. Limit x tends to 1. This is x to the power n. I can write, see 1 means what? I can write here 1 to the power n. Because 1 to the n means 1. Then divided by x minus 1. Why I am writing here 1 to the power n? Because 1 is multiplied n times. Answer will be 1, no doubt. What is the formula for here? N into a to the power n is 1. A to the power n minus 1. The final answer is what? 1 is multiplied n minus 1 number of times. The answer is 1. That is n into 1 n. This is the answer of number 5. Let us see number 6. See the question number 6. Limit x tend to 0. A to the power x minus b to the power x by x. How to do this one? Limit x tend to 0. A to the power x minus 1. See bracket here. Minus b to the power x minus 1. Just I am adding and subtracting 1 here. Divided by x. If I open the bracket, this is plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. You have to arrange here a to the x minus 1 minus b to the x minus 1. See, just have separated here a to the x minus 1 by x minus b to the x minus 1 by x. Now as for the fundamental theorems on limit x tend to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x, this is one part, minus sign, again limit x tend to 0, b to the power x minus 1 by x. Just applying the fundamental theorems of limit. What is the formula for here? That is log a. This is formula is log b. Now as for the log properties, what is the answer? This will be log a by b. This is the answer of number 6. Let us go next number, last number. See the question number 7. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square root over minus 1 by x. See, this type of question you have to see very carefully. If this type of question is coming in the exam, you have to rationalize numerator. You have to rationalize the numerator. Means same thing, you have to multiply both numerator as well as denominator. Limit x tends to 0, keep it here. If you multiply here 1 plus x square root over minus 1 is there, you have to multiply same thing 1 plus x square plus 1, multiplying both numerator as well as denominator, means x whole into 1 plus x square root over plus 1. Multiplying this part, both numerator as well as denominator. Why multiplying? To cancel the root over sign. Now, limit extend to 0. As you know, a minus b whole into a plus b. What is that formula? A square minus b square. A square means root over will vanish. 1 plus x square. Then minus 1. And downside is what? X whole into 1 plus x square root over plus 1. Now see, this 1 and minus 1 will cancel out. After what is left here? X plus x square left. You can take x common here. Limit extend to 0. I can take x common here. X 1 plus x left here. After cancellation of this 1 and minus 1, left x plus x square. I have taken x from here. Left 1 plus x. Downside, denominator, x whole into 1 plus x square root over plus 1. Now, this x and this x will cancel out. What is left here? Just to see. What is left? Limit extend to 0. Limit extend to 0. 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square root over and plus 1. Now put the value of x equal to 0 here. What is left here? 1 plus 0, 1. And here 1 plus 0 means 1 root over is what? 1 and plus 1. How much are you getting? 1 by 2 is the answer of number 7. Okay, this is the question. I hope you are able to understand the question. Up to 7 I have done today, including fundamental theorems and limits. Next we will continue this chapter. Okay, thank you.